I don't know if anyone ever experiences this. You know, when you have a haul video to film and it's like time to clean up afterwards, but you remember that you need to take a thumbnail picture. So now I have to make all this stuff look neat again, pose for the picture, and then unpack it and put it back in this corner. It's just so much shit. It's so much stuff, y'all. It's so much stuff. It's stuff everywhere. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am back with a brand new video for you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever apartment decor haul. So if y'all don't know, I attend the University of North Texas in Denton, Texas. In a couple weeks, I will be starting my second year. Last year, I did stay on campus at Joe Green Hall. Last year, my colors were purple and gray, and since the year kind of ended a little early due to COVID, I decided to do purple and gray for my room this year as well. And I did do a big dorm room decor haul. Go check that out first and then come back and watch this video, and it'll kind of give you a whole gist of what's going to be in my apartment this year. Since I am living in an apartment, I do have my own room and restroom, so I get to decorate it however I want to. I will be sharing my apartment with 3 other girls, so I actually am moving into my apartment next Wednesday, and I will be vlogging that whole process. Anyway guys, I got stuff from Ross, Walmart, Home Goods, Macy's, so it's kind of like a range of things from everywhere. Anyway guys, I am 4 minutes deep into this intro, so I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see this video. If y'all enjoy it, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll subscribe to this channel, which is linked in that down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into my apartment decor haul. So the first 2 items that I want to show y'all are these 2 little ceramic things from Walmart. So basically this is what you put on the sink in the restroom. So they actually had like another piece to it, like a little soap dispenser, but I don't think I'm gonna use that, so I just picked up these 2 items. But first we have the soap dish that you just like lay your bar of soap down, and then we have the toothbrush holder. I don't know why I'm showing y'all the back, but yeah, this is what it looks like. You just put your toothbrushes in there. So the next item I have here is this cute little 2-tier drawer from Ross. So this thing was only $12.99, and basically it's just like a stacked drawer. It's just like this really cute white color. Oh shoot. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna use this in my restroom or in my room. So the next item that I have here is just this really cute toilet paper holder. Honestly, this is like really extra. This is from Ross as well. This costs $5.99, which is really cheap, especially for something like this, such good quality. So y'all, the next item that I have is kind of decor, but it's really not decor. I don't really know. It's more for like, well, it is for decorating, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, this is a big roll of contact paper. It's basically just like a big old sticker. You can put it in like drawers in the restroom. You can put it on countertops. So what I want to do with the contact paper is put it on the countertop in my bathroom. So I decided to pick up this one because it's this really nice marble print. Obviously marble countertops cost a lot of money, and plus I'm moving into an apartment that I'm renting, so I don't really think I can replace the countertops with marble. Actually earlier today I did a little DIY of my own. I actually put some of this contact paper down in the bottom of my acrylic makeup drawers. I'm going to insert the video here because I thought it was so freaking adorable. It looks so good. It just looks so chic and just girly. It just looked good. I just thought it was really cute. So these next 2 items are literally just 2 little cups here. They're like these little wire mesh cups that you can put like pens, makeup brushes, scissors, like office supplies and stuff. And I got these from Ross. I think they were only like $2.99 for like a pack of 2 of them. They actually came in the color gold and rose gold, but inserts clip here, I was able to spray paint them silver, and yeah, they just have like this nice silver color to them now. So this next item I have here is this 4-tier skirt hanger, but I already bought one of these last year and it worked wonders. Now, although this is a skirt hanger, I'm actually going to use this to hang up pants because it works so good for hanging up pants. But these are really convenient because if you don't have a lot of space, especially if you're moving into like a small dorm room, definitely go check out your local Ross. You know, you can go to Ollie's, TJ Maxx, Target, maybe even Walmart, and they're literally like less than $15. This was only $6 at Ross, which is a really good deal for something this nice. But yeah, you can use this in your closet to hang up your pants, and basically they'll hang up like vertically, so they'll just all like go straight down. And you know, you can have multiple of these in the closet and you'll literally be saving space because all your pants will just be like straight down and you can just have them like smushed together. So next I have my bedding, which comes from Macy's. So this bedding was originally 80 bucks, but I got it half off. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if y'all can see that picture. There it is. It's kind of focusing, but it's just like a gray comforter and it has like silver detailing, but the detailing is like in a chevron print. And then it comes with 2 throw pillows. One has like silver polka dots and the other one says love, which I can show y'all at the back. And then it also comes with 2 gray pillowcases as well that match the like main cover. So next I have this really cute, I don't know what this is, tub bin, I don't know. My niece turned 8 months back in June, July, but me and my sister decided to get like some water, get some little flowers, and she had like this whole aloha Hawaiian thing, and we put on little bows and stuff, and she stayed in here and took pictures in the water and stuff, and it turned out really cute. This thing cost $10 and my niece only used it one time for pictures, so I decided to use it for my room since it's already gray and it matches the colors in my room. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to use it as a dirty clothes hamper for the restroom. So I'm just gonna throw like dirty towels in it. So next I have my curtain rod. This is from Ross. It was $5.99, so just around $6. And I absolutely love this thing. It's so cute because the end of the curtain rod has this really cute like rhinestone diamond looking thing, and it just ties into my colors so well in my room. So next I have another little container here, or not really container, but like desk storage from Ross. This was only $6.99, and it's this really cute like little thing that you put on the desk. It looks like you can put like office supplies, maybe papers, but I did not buy this for desk organization. I actually bought this for makeup organization because I looked at it and it just screamed palette organization. Like you can store a whole lot of eyeshadow palettes, and I literally already put all my eyeshadow palettes in it to make sure that they fit. So y'all, the next item that I have is this really cute wooden crate that I personalized by myself. Back this summer, my sister-in-law, my boyfriend Derek's sister, she had a birthday party for her little boy. He turned 1, and she had a few of these little crates that she was going to use for the party. She didn't end up needing them, so she was like to me, if you want to take one, you can have it, because I know you're really art and craftsy, so like you can have it. And I was just like, okay. And so I decided to turn it into like just some kind of bathroom storage because I thought it was really cute for that. So I had 2 bottles of leftover purple spray paint, and then I also picked up some little wooden letters from Walmart, and I spray painted those with the silver spray paint and then just hot glued them to the front, and it just says bath stuff, and it's really cute. So next I have my shower curtain and the shower liner that goes with it. So this is what it looks like. It is so freaking pretty. It has like all these different purple colors, and it just ombres to the bottom to like a really dark purple. So next I have this pair of room darkening curtains. So these are like the panel curtains. They're really cute, and these are just in this lilac lavender purple color. And I do plan on getting one more set of curtains. I want to get like a gray sheer curtain, kind of like that black one above my head right there. So next I have my bathroom trash can. I got this from Five Below for literally less than $5. This thing is such good quality to be like less than $5. But it's just this nice silver trash can, and it's kind of like that mesh basket feel. So the next thing I have is this cute little dry erase board calendar. So this is not a brand new item. I think I showed this in my room tour. I got this calendar from Aldi, and it was literally like less than $5. I think the thing was like $4.30. Yeah, really cheap, especially for something like this, and this is like good quality. It's just not like no cheap calendar. So next I have these 2 really cute pictures that I completely personalized on my own. So basically I went to Dollar Tree and I bought these 2 little cheap dollar frames. And then after that I went on my phone and I went to the Fonto app and I just typed in these little sayings that you can put on the bathroom wall. So this one says wash, brush, floss, flush. And this one says so fresh and so clean. So obviously these are going to go in my restroom. The glitter is a little messy, but I think when you put it on the wall and step like really far back from it, it's just going to look like really nice and chic, and that it comes like out of a expensive department store. This next item is kind of random, not really room decor, but it matches my room colors. I have found a purple clipboard at Ross. This is only $2.99. I was like, I gotta get that because, you know, you can just like put this up in a room. I can put it on the wall, you know, hang like a quote or something on it and like post it on the wall or something like that. So next I have this really cute acrylic lipstick holder. I found this at Home Goods. Now I went at Home Goods and they had a lot of stuff for like rooms and stuff. They had a lot of stuff in my color, but Home Goods is kind of on the more expensive side. The only reason I picked this up is because it was on sale for like $4.99. But yeah, it's really cute because like it's a makeup holder and it stands up just like this. Like just imagine this is a table and then you put your lipstick in it and like they come out really cute. Like yeah, this is really nice. Next I have this really nice rug from Ross. So it's one of these really cute fairy rugs. It's one of those really little bitty rugs. I'm probably just gonna like sit this next to the bed, and when you step out of bed in the morning you'll feel that real nice soft faux fur. So next I have towels. Now these 3 towels right here aren't going to be just like towels that I actually use. These are going to be my decorative towels. So if y'all probably look on Pinterest or other places, in most people's restroom they like to put up decorative towels that you're not allowed to touch like at all, like they're for decorations. Basically what my decorative towels are going to look like is I'm going to have a big gray towel, and then I found a purple towel, and that's gonna go like in the middle. Like basically just imagine them hanging on the thing like this, and then you got this towel in the middle. And I want to fix it to make it look cute or whatever, but that's what my decorative towels are going to look like. So I have a bunch of restroom stuff right here. This is like bathroom rugs and toilet seat cover. So first I have the toilet seat cover, and this entire little collection right here is from Walmart. Like Walmart, they have a bunch of these nice colors. So if you're looking for some stuff for your restroom, go to Walmart. And then I also have this really cute foam bath rug. So this will go next to the tub, so when I step out of the tub. And then I also have this one. This one goes around the toilet. And then I also have this one which matches that material as well, but this one is going to go in front of my sink. So the next product I have is from Five Below. This is a really nice bed canopy. I'm probably gonna go and try to pick up some fairy lights or something from Target and try to like incorporate them behind this or like inside of it or something. So now we got something else for the restroom. These are the shower curtain hooks. So these were only $4.99 from Ross, and they are these really cute like cubic zirconium, rhinestone, whatever this is. So the next item I have is this pack of, I think this is 25 hangers, may just be 20. I don't feel like counting, but I think it's 25. Anyways, it's just really cute lavender purple, lilac purple, and they're like the velvet hangers, so they are really good quality. So the next item I have is just this really cute silver clock from Walmart. I'm going to put this in my restroom. Next I just have my bed sheets. I got my bed sheets from this store called Ollie's. Ollie's is like a really nice, I don't really know how to explain it because it's not really a department store. It's kind of like, I don't know, like a mixture of like Walmart and like Big Lot. I ended up going in there one day and I was looking around and I seen these lavender sheets, and so I believe these are gonna match really nicely with my comforter set that I got, because like you're gonna have lavender underneath and then the gray comforter on the top. So the last product, hold on, let me look around. The last product that I have is just these wall decals that I found at Five Below for like $3. They're basically just like this chevron. They match my comforter. They match some more of the stuff in my room. So I think this is gonna look really nice when I put it on the wall. So y'all, that was all for this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media, which is linked in that down bar below. Anyways guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body